right. Hey.
Monkey.
What?
Hey.
What is it, buddy?
Monkey.
Cookie Monster.
Elmo.
And Elmo. Ernie, that's right. Elmo.
Baby.
Yeah.
Monkey.
Cookie Monster, that's right.
Monkey.
That's Grover.
Elmo.
That's Big Bird.
Cookie.
Oscar the Grouch. That's Ernie.
Elmo.
That's Elmo, yep. Elmo and Zoe, and they have shampoo.
Sure.
Yep, shampoo.
Monkey.
Cookie Monster.
Baby.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Grover. That's Grover, buddy. Oscar the Grouch.
Monkey.
Yep, Cookie Monster. Big Bird. Ernie. Elmo. Grover. That's Grover. Hello and welcome to FMRevu. I'm your host, Freddie Robinson, and welcome to a day in the life of FMRevu. Hey buddy, what you got? Huh? That's Cookie Monster. Cookie Monster, yeah. I don't know who that is. She's new. I guess Zoe maybe? Maybe? I don't know. I don't know who that is. Who is it? Hold on, let's see who this is. Elmo and Zoe were small, but they grew.
Yeah.
No, that's Rosita. Rosita.
Boy.
Rosita. She's jumping rope with Elmo and Big Bird. Yep. That's right. What you doing, buddy? Huh? Hey, what you doing, huh? Elmo? What's Elmo doing?
Yeah.
What is Elmo doing? Huh? What is it, buddy?
Baby.
Elmo? Yep, that's Elmo. That's Ernie, right? Huh? What is it, buddy? What happened? What did you do? Huh? What did you do? You hurt your foot. What? No. Ah. What? What is it? Is that right? What happened?
Baby.
That's Grover. Cookie Monster. Big Bird. Don't know. Yeah, don't know. We just call that don't know. Don't know. Yep, that's Elmo and Big Bird. No, that's CD. Yeah, CD. What is it, buddy? What is it? Huh? I don't know what that is. That's little bitty. Real little. Little. That's right, yiddle. Yeah. What is it, buddy? Huh? What is it? What you got? Huh? Elmo. What? What is it? Huh? What you got, buddy? That is Cookie Monster, Elmo, and Zoe. 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 Ernie. Monster. Elmo.
But
Huh?
and then
Zoe.
Yoda.
Zoe.
Mom.
What is it, buddy? Huh? What is it, buddy?
Elmo.
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 You sure Elmo's there? Huh? What? Huh? What is it? Frog. That's frog. Yeah, that's his eye. Eyes. Stomach. That's right. Foot. Yeah, foot. That's his hand. Hand. Mouth. Yeah, that's his eyes. Huh? That's his back. See, that's his back, like that. That's back. Back. That's your back. That's back. Mm-hmm. That's his mouth. What happened? Hand. Hand. Yeah, that's his hand. Hand. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What you doing, buddy? Ooh, huh? What? Elmo, huh? Elmo. What? Huh? What, buddy? What? Is that right? Let's see No. Hey, buddy, what is it? Huh? What you doing? Yep. Is that right? What is it? What? What?
Go.
Goo with Elmo, huh? What is it, buddy? Hmm? What? Huh? Hmm? Spider-Man. What is it? Spider-Man. Hmm? You got pee-pee? Do you have pee-pee? Or do you say a TV? TV or pee-pee? Which one is it? TV or pee-pee? Hmm? You got pee-pee? Or you gonna watch TV? Huh? TV? You wanna watch TV?
Baby.
Uh-huh.
No.
What's wrong? What do you want? Huh?
Baby.
Spider-Man.
No.
You wanna watch Spider-Man?
Oh.
You wanna watch Spider-Man?
Oh.
I'll go get Spider-Man for you. You wanna watch Spider-Man?
Baby.
Yeah, Spider-Man.
Baby.
Okay, let's go get Spider-Man.
Baby.
Ow. What, buddy? Huh? Yeah, Spider-Man. Spider-Man in here if you want to watch him too now. You gonna watch Spider-Man in here? Spider-Man. Yeah, Spider-Man's in here too. Yep. Oh, played all episodes. Hey, buddy. You gonna watch Spider-Man in here? Huh? You gonna watch Spider-Man in here? Huh? Yeah, Spider-Man's in here too now. Hey. Look, there's Spider-Man. You can watch Spider-Man in here? You can have a seat and watch Spider-Man. See, here's Spider-Man. Spider-Man. You gonna watch Spider-Man? Yep, that's Spider-Man. You gonna watch it?
What?
There's Spider-Man. Mary Jane. See Mary Jane? Huh? Yeah, Spider-Man.
Go.
What? What is it?
Go.
Huh?
Go.
What?
Go.
No, leave that alone. Don't mess with that. Watch Spider-Man, okay? No, stop. No, don't mess with that. Stop. Don't mess with that. Sit here in the beanbag, okay? Sit here and watch Spider-Man? Spider-Man. Whee! Hey, Spider-Man. There you go. You don't want it? Huh? Watch Spider-Man. You gonna watch Spider-Man? Huh? You wanna watch Spider-Man? No, you don't need any of that. You think that's game, don't you? Is that what you think? That's Spider-Man, it's not game. Okay? Yeah, that's not game, that's just Spider-Man. Yeah. What, buddy? Is that right? You see Spider-Man? There's Spider-Man. Spider-Man, buddy.
What?
Mm-hmm.
What?
What?
Baby?
You see Spider-Man?
I'm speaking for Blu-Ray Tower, soon to make way for an expanded ESU campus. This is where residents yesterday found a 17th century star movie stolen from the Manhattan Museum Park. Residents here say the thief wasn't to drop the stolen gem, but were three authorities. Now the news are more money for the flood. A new person finds some art. Do you know how the movie came to be here? Witnesses of the museum say they have her treasure was stolen.
Hey, buddy. No. Hey. No.
No.
No. You can hold the controller if you think it's playing a game. Sit down. Come over here and sit down. You gonna hold the controller? There you go. Hold the controller.
Yeah.
Yeah, controller. That's for the Xbox.
But.
Yeah, Xbox controller. Yeah. There you go.
Yeah.
That's controller, right?
Dad.
Yeah. You gonna play Spider-Man game?
Dad.
Spider-Man game?
Baby.
Yeah, Spider-Man game, huh?
Dad.
That's right.
You baby.
Huh? You see Spider-Man? You see Spider-Man?
Go.
Hmm?
Go.
What, buddy?
Go.
Yeah.
Dad.
What is it?
Dad.
Hmm?
Go.
Hmm?
Baby.
What?
TV.
You see TV?
Boom.
You see TV?
You better go.
Hmm?
Go.
Hmm? doing, buddy? What are you doing? Play a game? You gonna watch Spider-Man or play a game? See Spider-Man? Yeah, pick it up. Pick it up. Mm-hmm. Look at Spider-Man.
Number.
What? Yeah, look at that, buddy. Yay. What, buddy? Huh? What? Huh? What are you doing?
Baby. No.
What is it? Huh?
Yo.
What? Is that right? Huh?
No.
Say, buddy. What are you talking about?
Baby.
Hmm?
Baby.
TV?
Baby.
You saying TV?
Baby.
TV. Huh? What? What is it? What's going on? What you got here, man? You gonna watch what is it? You want some controller? Huh? There you go. Now you gonna watch Spider-Man? Spider-Man. See Spider-Man? Hmm? What's he doing? What's he doing? Spider-Man. Where you going? Where you going? Hmm? Yeah, where you going? Hey, buddy, where you going? Hmm? Where you going? Where you going? Ooh. Where you going, buddy? Boy! Where you going? What you gonna do? What you doing? See Spider-Man? What you doing? Ooh, yeah. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
Me.
Yeah, TV. That's TV.
Oh.
Huh? What? What are you doing?
You baby.
Huh? Spider-Man?
No, I don't know. Oh. Go.
What you doing, buddy? What you doing? Hey. Stand up. Not a toy. Not a toy. No. Not a toy. No, you can't be doing the video editing right now. You're too young. Have to wait till you get a little bit older, okay? What you gonna do, buddy? You gonna watch Spider-Man or not? Huh?
No.
You're not watching Spider-Man?
What?
You gonna help me? You gonna help me? Huh? You got to keep the hands to yourself. You gonna help me? You want up or down? What do you want? Huh? You want down? You want down? Play with the controller? There you go. Play Spider-Man. Play Spider-Man. Play Spider-Man.
No.
What?
No.
No. Why not?
No.
What, Spider-Man? Spider-Man. Huh? What are you doing, buddy? Okay. Spider-Man, you see him? Yeah, buddy, you see Spider-Man? Spider-Man. Huh? He's got glasses on, is that what you see? Yeah, sunglasses. Sunglasses. Yep. Yep, Spider-Man's got eyes. He's got eyes. What you think? Huh? Yeah. You see that? Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Yeah. Spider-Man's got eyes. Yeah. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Yeah. Yeah. What are you doing? You wrapped up in cords? You wrapped up in the cords? Cord. Hmm? What is it? What is it? Hmm? Let me see your foot before you ran into the wall there. Let me see your foot. Yeah, so you got Bobo. See Bobo? On your toe? Yeah. Got Bobo on it. Yeah. Oh. Struggling, man. Struggling. Yep, struggling. It's gonna take forever for this file to load. It's taking forever. Big file, 30 minutes. 30-minute file. Probably watch all that Spider-Man. Yeah, you probably watch all that one. What time is it? 3 o'clock. Spider-Man. What? Ain't no baby. Just Spider-Man. Just Spider-Man. What happened? What happened, buddy? Is that right? Yeah. What? Where's Elmo? In your room? Elmo's in your room? Yeah. Hmm? What? Yeah, I see him. I see Spider-Man.
Wow.
Huh?
Wow.
I don't know where your cup's at. Where's your cup at? Where's that? Huh? What? Your cup's in your room? You wanna go get your cup? Go get your cup. Hold on. What? Watch out. Don't fall. There you go. Come on. Yeah. You see it? Yeah. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. That's Mary Jane. Mary Jane. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Mary Jane. Hey, what's going on down there? You getting choked? Huh? Choke. Choke. Yeah, choke. Choke. What? Mary Jane? Is that Mary Jane? Mary Jane. Yep. 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 What? Is that right? What are you doing? Making mess? Making mess? Yep, you making mess. All right. So the video editing process is the long, drawn-out process. I gotta wait. Stop making a mess. Stop it. I have to wait for files to copy, files to load, go in and edit. All that with the help of my son. And he likes to make messes. Ain't that right? You like making messes, huh? Make mess? Make noise? Yeah, make messes and make noise, huh? Yeah, noise. Make a mess. Yeah, make a mess. Mm-hmm. So, it takes a lot to set up my office. This little area here is where I record my videos, and I try to plan that around his nap time so I can have peace and quiet. And then when he's awake, I do video editing, and he wants to watch Spider-Man or sit in my lap, and that just takes a lot of time. That's right, that's Spider-Man. Yeah, Spider-Man in a car. So that's really why there's been a real slow output of videos in the past year. Because I have somebody. Hey, buddy. Yeah, you making noises there. Yeah. You making noises? Yeah. You gonna break the controller? You gonna break it? You gonna break it? Yeah. Right. Because I have to do things around my son. Hey, buddy, what you want? Yeah, Cookie Monster. Yeah, that's Cookie Monster. So I hope this little small video is a preview into my life, which is an explanation and an apology, hey buddy, for the drought in videos. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. Hey buddy.
Monkey.
That's right, Cookie Monster. To keep more awesome FM reviews coming your way. Yep, you gonna say bye?
Baba.
Say bye-bye.
Baba.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Baba.
Bye-bye.